My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Hello, hello. You need Oriental rug area carpet to be clean and remove the urine odor. What you should do? How can you find the best service for your need? Simply call around. Ask them, do you guarantee the removal of the odor completely without covering it with a deodorizer? Because you want urine odor removal. You pay them to remove the odor. So why they cover it with a deodorizer or enzyme? You already tried to clean the Oriental rug by using enzyme and deodorizer, and you find that now the Oriental rug smell like a pee-pee vanilla. So what you should do, look for a company that's using odor-free cleaning product. Then upon delivery, you will receive the Oriental rug odor-free completely from the urine odor. PetPeePee. We invented a cleaning product that uses the odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea and the XpetPee machine that's clean your Oriental rug through the rug.